Students, let us continue studying English about simple present tense. Please repeat after me. Simple present tense dalam bentuk kalimat nominal. Rumusnya adalah subject plus be plus complement. Example, positive. He is hungry. He is hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. Negative. She is not hungry. She is not hungry. We are not hungry. We are not hungry. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. Question. Is he hungry? Is he hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, see you next time. Thank you.